How are you today? This is great. Welcome to That NASA Show. This is an exciting half hour about fashion.
Exciting half hour about fashion.
Space fashion, that's very difficult to say. Space fashion. Space fashion.
For the hair, there's a rinseless shampoo that is applied, rubbed in, and wiped off with a towel.
Space fashion.
Toilets are equipped with footholds, and both men and women can urinate standing up with the aid of a funnel.
It's a fake.
It was so
A fake.
If you do this experiment on the moon, they both fall together. There's this piece of footage that shows this done, and sure enough, they both fall together. And that proves immediately that this experiment was done in a vacuum. But more than that...
Same time. How about that? A fake.
Image to fake.
Well, actually, it isn't at all difficult to fake. NASA itself would repeat the very same trick, this time officially in the 1999 story From the Earth to the Moon. This time the actonaut held the hammer the other way up, so that we could see it was not the same fakery as the first time. Of course, that original demonstration by Apollo 15 doesn't in any way prove that it had taken place on the moon. Before NASA reenacted the whole thing officially, we had already conducted our own experiment. Here we are in our London studio in 1G, complete with an atmosphere. There they go. As you can see, the feather and the hammer arrive on the ground at the same time. Now if we slow it down by the appropriate amount, lo and behold, these two items fall nice and slowly as per a 1/6 G environment. This illusion is all about calibration.
A fake.
it was so
Charlie. 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 Charlie.